in our insurance business, we really have a group of insurance businesses, and they have different characteristics. The consistent characteristic actually is that they're all very, very good businesses. Some of them are a lot larger and have opportunities to get larger, and some of them are not so large and have limited opportunities in terms of growth. But every insurance operation we have is a distinct asset to Berkshire. We've got smaller workers' comp operation. We've got a credit operation, credit card operation. We've got a home state operation. We have all these different businesses, Kansas Bankers, Sureties, whatever. They're all good businesses. Some of them don't develop a lot of float relative to premium volume. The nature of Kansas Bankers, Surety is that it won't develop a lot of float. It just happens to be the kind of business they write. The nature of comp is that it develops more float because comp claims pay more slowly. You really should think of each one of those having different characteristics. GEICO is entirely different than the super cat business. They're both good businesses. In terms of how we invest the money when it comes in, we invest it when it comes in. I mean, we'll get a large super cat premium today, it's invested. Now, if we have a claim tomorrow, then we disinvest, and in a substantial way. If you take something like GEICO, the cash flow is always going to be positive probably on that. We won't have another Hurricane Andrew because we've backed out of the homeowners business to quite an extent. So month by month, the money comes in at a GEICO, and the faster it grows, the more the money that comes in. We have so much capital that we can basically put that money into whatever makes the most sense for Berkshire. So we have none of either the mental or psychological constraints or regulatory constraints that many insurance companies operate under. Many of them think they sort of should have this portion and this portion and that and so on. Investments usually play second fiddle to the insurance business at most companies that are in the insurance business. We look at them as being of equal importance, and we run them as two distinct businesses. We do whatever makes most sense on the investment side, whatever makes the most sense on the insurance side. We never do anything on the investment side that will impinge on our business on the insurance side. But you really should look at each one of our businesses separately. GEICO has entirely different characteristics than the super cat business. They both call themselves insurance. They both develop float. But in economic terms and in terms of competitive strengths and that sort of thing, they're two very different businesses. And our smaller businesses are different businesses. Some of those may grow reasonably well. We'll keep working on it.